Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Maps not working in a few easy steps. So let's don't waste any more of your time, let me show you how. At first, get your phone, open the settings of your phone, and in the search box in the settings here, just search for apps. Like this. Click on apps, manage apps, and here we can find any app that we downloaded on our phone. So now scroll down to find maps. Here is maps. Click on it, and again, as you can see, I have this shortcut clear data on my phone, but in the older version on other devices like older than 2018, maybe there's not a shortcut as like mine. So you need to scroll down a little bit, you'll find something like storage, then to click on it, and then to find clear cache like this. Let me show you, clear cache or clear all data, something like this. But as I said, I have a shortcut about that. So when you find it, just click on clear cache, okay, and that's it. So, but if it's still not working, then click again clear all data and make sure just click on clear all data and clear it. So if it's still not working, just try to restart your device, your phone, and then try it again, or to delete Google Maps from the Google Play Store. Maps like this. Oh wait, yeah, Google Maps. Just uninstall it and just install it again, and then try. That is the fourth solution of this problem. If you find this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or ashamed to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.